So happy Diwali. I may post this video, I may not post this video because it's going to be a little longer than 1 minute 30 seconds. And from my experience, it's not easy to jam the content when you're speaking in a free flow in 30 seconds. I have thought a lot of times that, I'll pull up a card and I might freeze. But the thing is, I get such a deep message at times that it's not enough in a short time to put it through. But I somehow go with the free flow, and whatever comes through, I put it through. However, I've decided that I would practice, a little more with the camera, because as soon as the camera turns on, no matter what, I become conscious. I think everybody does become conscious, and it looks very easy that you'll switch on the camera and you'll just speak and you'll give your stories, you'll give your random ideas. You might be talkative like me, so you'll go on and on. But putting that content properly into this small short reel format, editing them, or even creating content in general, it's not an easy task. So I think start practicing a little more so that I can do it a little easily, because I don't know why I am attracted to creating content, putting my voice out there, putting my stories out there, putting the stories that I've heard out there. And this happened exactly in 1 minute 30 seconds. So I guess when you are speaking from your heart and you speak from a free flow, the content comes through, but otherwise it is difficult. So I've decided to narrate short, small stories and put them as clips. So for example, let me do a tarot shuffle again and create a short clip. I don't know, Insta had that feature of IGTV earlier where you could put up longer videos, but I think post reel it has completely gone. But let's pull out a card again, okay? And let's see how it goes. So this is a slightly longer message for Diwali and for Dhanteras, for all the festivals that have been up to here, the month of October in general, okay? Let's see. Ten of Pentacles. I love this card. There's this entire family, there are kids in the background, and this card shows a lot of abundance. And that feeling of, support, that deep support and connect. If you have this kind of family backup, friendship backup, or support in general, you will feel confident in your life to take up anything, or in general your personality is going to be confident if you have this kind of energy around you. So this is there in the month of October for all who are going to come across this video and reach with or connect with my energies. I'm pretty sure this message is coming out for you. So you have the support, resources from your family. Literally the support, and this is Three of Cups. As you can see, there are three people. These are three friends standing together, and they are, basically celebrating a starry, like they are literally celebrating. As you can see, this looks like firecrackers, but like it could be stars, it could be anything. They're all staring at the sky, looking at the beautiful view together, and this is a card of celebration. So we have family support, we have celebration. This is a theme for Diwali. Okay, so this is someone who's basically कहते हैं ना कि भीड़ में है पर खुद भी फिर भी अपने कुछ ख्यालों में है. तो ये इंसान एक उम्मीद लगा रहा है इस दिवाली. सो इफ this message is coming for anyone who's seeing this video for whatever reasons, I don't know, but if you're seeing this video, you are expecting from the universe, you're hoping from the universe something, and the universe is giving a confirmation through this card that you should have that faith and hope in the universe, because some things are there on the horizon for you, and whatever your heart desires, there is a whole fleet of people behind to support you. So basically, if you desire anything, you just have to word it out and take the first step towards it. Like take some action associated with the hope of faith, or prayer that you're praying very deeply, because this is a card that shows that you are really connecting to the universe in your own ways. And see, okay, I'll pull out two more cards. This is the Chariot, card of movement, moving forward, collecting all your energies, the dark side, the positive side, and channeling through. So there would be obstacles, but you would go through a free flow because this energy is of moving forward, okay? And then, wow, the Queen of Swords. I love this card. So she is a great communicator. She is a very intellectual being. This is an air sign card. So air does represent communication and your intelligence or your creativity and other aspects. But this person is someone who can run an empire, a business on their own, is very self sufficient, basically, an independent kind of personality. But they're in touch with their feminine side. Basically, they nurture themselves, they know about self love, they know about self care. But maybe they don't have a huge circle of friends, or maybe they don't have any friends. They are very much in their solo energy, but they are happy because they have family support. They have those one or two friends that they can really, really count on. Now, because there's this card of the star card, the expectations and hopes and faith card, I would say, I see this as a hope card and something that the universe is granting this person. So, because this person has proven themselves over and over and over again, this person, people might be saying कि ये बहुत strong इंसान है, आप बहुत strong हो. अगर आपकी personality ऐसी है तो आप बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, आपने बहुत चीज़ें खुद से करी हैं, आप तो किसी भी डिफ़िकल्टी से आराम से निकल सकते हो, यूर अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर, दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स go with this personality. But since they have been in this super independent, hyper independent energy for a long time, I think it's time for them to expand their circle or expand their business or expand whatever energy that they have of positivity, love, abundance around them. And that's what they're really hoping for as well. So that is why there is a card of Chariot. So if I place them in the sequence together, I see a complete journey for this person who's been on a solo ride. They've been an inspiration. This person, they are an inspiration to the family that sees them, whether they are near to them or far, far away. This person is an inspiration to anyone who watches them and knows about their story. But maybe, their heart is still, they think a lot from their head, and they keep their heart very, very, very secure in a safe space because maybe it's hurt before. So वो कहते हैं ना, दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक के पीता है. यस, दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक के पीता है. सो कुछ वैसी सी एनर्जी है, बट ये पर्सन चाहता है कि इस एनर्जी से मूव होके अपनी हार्ट स्पेस में जाए, जिससे अपनी फैमिली को और दे सके. और ये जो मोमेंट्स हैं, जैसे ये फेस्टिवल्स हैं, ये सीजन्स आते हैं जो, इन्हें और खुलकर एंजॉय कर सके, वो प्यार को अच्छे से फील कर सके, इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्राइंग टू बी अ लिटिल प्रोटेक्टिव अबाउट द थिंग्स फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन्स. Although I don't see any negativity or any negative aspect in this reading, I don't see a person who's lacking behind. But if there's any feeling of loneliness or lack for anyone who's seeing this reading, I'm telling you, you are a very smart, very intelligent, very well-to-do person, whether you know it or not. Maybe you have not reached that place in your life which you really wanted to. But this reading, this moment right here is a confirmation that you can achieve anything that you desire, that you put your heart onto. This person literally can achieve anything that they put their heart and mind into. Their mind into too would do. So if you give this person a task, they are very much dedicated. They'll complete it, they'll find a solution. And that's a brilliant personality to have. So if you're lacking something, don't worry. Pray for it this Diwali. Take little tiny steps towards it. And trust me, this will turn into a manifestation on its own and come towards you with a lot of energy. Like कहते हैं ना, वो एक आप पत्थर डालो अगर नदी में तो वो रिपल्स बनते हैं. एक आप बस एक करते हो क्रिएट, वो क्रिएट होते जाते हैं. ऐसे आपको बस एक स्टेप लेना पड़ेगा टुवर्ड्स वट एवर यू वॉन्ट, whether someone who's looking for a new venture, a new friendship, maybe soulmate, love, or something else. But you just have to put that out in the universe, put that out to the gods above, and just take a little step. Like अगर आप नए किसी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहते हो तो अपना रिज्यूमे अपडेट करो, कहीं कहीं जगह पे पोर्टल्स पे अपडेट करो, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन उसे डालो, अगर आपको नए फ्रेंडशिप्स चाहिए तो आपको अपने घर से निकलना पड़ेगा, आपको अपने फ़ोन से निकलना पड़ेगा और एक्चुअली लोगों से बात करनी पड़ेगी। और अगर आपको एक्चुअली अपने फ़ोन से भी नहीं निकलना, घर से भी नहीं निकलना, तो एटलीस्ट फ़ोन उठाकर कॉल तो करो किसी को। अगर आप कॉल ही नहीं करोगे, किसी से रीच आउट ही नहीं करोगे, तो नए लोग नहीं ऐसे आएंगे लाइफ में। यू हैव टू पुट योर सेल्फ अ लिटिल आउट देयर, ओपन अप योर हार्ट स्पेस अ लिटिल। क्योंकि अगर आप इतना ही डरोगे कि अगर मैं हर जगह धोखा खा जाऊँगा, या मैं ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकता, या मैं एक लिमिट तक ही ट्रस्ट करता हूँ या करूँगी, तो फिर वो नए रिश्ते नहीं क्रिएट होंगे। क्योंकि दिल के रिश्ते तो दिल से क्रिएट होते हैं, आप दिमाग कितना भी लगा लो। एंड इफ इट्स समथिंग विद योर फैमिली, लाइक यू नो सम फैमिली मेम्बर के साथ में कुछ इशू है, कुछ भी है जो यू वांट टू क्लियर आउट, सेम लॉजिक, टेक द फर्स्ट स्टेप, टेक इट एंड रेस्ट, लीव इट ऑन द यूनिवर्स। बिकॉज मैनिफेस्टेशन में लाइक बेसिकली इस पर्सन के मैनिफेस्टेशन वर्क करेंगे, बट उनको अपना थोड़ा सा हार्ट एनर्जी भी लगाना पड़ेगा। इफ दिस इज यू, देन यू हैव टू पुट इन एटलीस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्टेप। तो मैनिफेस्टेशन डजंट वर्क कि आपने बस लिख लिया और दिमाग में सोच लिया और हो गया। आपको थोड़ा सा एफर्ट डाल के एक एक्शन लेना पड़ता है। जैसे आप वो एक्शन लेते हो, तो फिर आपका मैनिफेस्टेशन जो है वो यूनिवर्स वो चीज़ वो सुनता है, रेप्लिकेट करता है। जिन लोगों को मैनिफेस्टेशन और ये सब टर्म्स नहीं भी पता होते हैं, जब वो बस भगवान से प्रे करते हैं कि भगवान जी हमें ये चाहिए, और छोटा सा एक एक्शन लेते हैं, तो वो देखते हैं। ऐसे लोग देखना आप कि वो अपनी जो भी चीज़ें चाहते हैं ना, उनको लाइफ में मिलती है, क्योंकि वो उन्होंने वो एक स्टेप लिया। तो भगवान भी कहते हैं ना, उनकी मदद करता है जो खुद की मदद करते हैं। तो दिस इज लाइक दैट। सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर द टैरो रीड. The overall message, or one last guidance messages for this, would be Three of Pentacles. So this is community support, a community around you. So if you are literally seeing this video and you are seeing me going on and on and on, this is community support. So you'll find the support of your peers, your friends, if you let yourself out there. Okay. So as you saw, this is a long format kind of a video, and I like creating long format content. But of course, when I look at the views, I don't get that much encouragement at times, and it's not easy because at times, even though no one is watching, you want the content to be perfect. ये perfectionism का कीड़ा जो लोगों को काट जाता है, वो problematic हो जाता है, and I do see it for myself. बट मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुना है कि तुम वीडियोस बनाओ, डालो, मे बी एक नहीं क्लिक करेगा, दो नहीं करेगा, बट इफ़ यू हैव सम कंसिस्टेंसी, इवेंचुअली यू माइट रीच द राइट ऑडियंस. एंड आई एम वांटिंग टू रीच एन ऑडियंस who is on a journey to improve themselves in any way, like whether they like my content for the information, for the infotainment, or the entertainment, or the tarot readings, healings, they receive healings to my videos or through me. That is a great blessing I can have. So that was for the tarot read. Of course, I would say that if you like this small short bit, let me know. It would be a huge encouragement for me. And if you want a personalized tarot read for yourself or a Reiki healing, I do both the things, and I can provide you information as to do you require a healing or not, if you require a healing or not. But through tarot we can find a lot of information. So if you're any place requiring that guidance or assistance, please do reach out to me. Of course there's a charge, but if you reach out to me and if there is something that I can connect with and help you out directly, I will do that without any charges. So just connect with me, let's have that energy exchange, and let's see where this goes. And if you're someone who's like me, thinking about content creation but not going into that, or thinking about promoting your work online and not going into that due to any direct reasons basically, or if you're someone who's cracked this thing कि कैसे ये करना है और मज़े करते हुए करना है और अपनी सारी चीज़ें बैलेंस करते हुए पैसे कमाते हुए करना है, अगर आपने वो क्रैक कर रखा है, करो, मेरे को डीएम करो यार, बताओ क्या करा है आपने, क्योंकि मैं कर रही हूँ लोगों को फॉलो, अंडरस्टैंड कर रही हूँ इस बिजनेस को धीरे धीरे. बट यस, इट्स अ जर्नी. Okay, so I hope you all have a very happy Diwali. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye. So if you saw this whole video, then I started with chota video banaungi and it became a 15-minute video. So I think this is what it is. I love doing tarot cards. I love reading for people. I love reading these stories out. So I think it is long format content for me. But do tell